Hi, my name is Doug Brunton, and I'm the HR Director here at FBI Buildings.
Hi, I'm Channing. I'm our new project sales consultant.
Here at FBI Buildings, we treat everyone as a family. We're here to help celebrate everybody's successes and also to help through anybody's struggles that they may have.
When I was in a struggle, I was burned. I was in the hospital for probably a month, and right away I knew I had to tell the company that I wasn't going to be in, and I was very worried about not coming back to a job. So my aunt got a hold of Doug, and by the time I was able to communicate myself, there was already a plan in place to take care of me. There was already a plan to make sure that I kept my benefits, and there was people thinking about how I was going to come back into FBI as a member of the team when maybe I couldn't go right back to working as a crew.
When we first heard of Channing's incident, we really were trying to reach out and do the best we can for him. So a group of us met and we're trying to figure out what were going to be the next steps, how were we going to help Channing out. I met with his foreman at that time, Tim Miller, and also I met with Ken Culbreth, which is VP Operations. We started trying to get a game plan together on how we can help him when he was able to return. Through this, like Channing had said, his aunt had reached out to me. We learned a little bit more about the seriousness of the situation. So we did work out a plan on how to keep his benefits going. We then, working with his aunt, we maintained all of his benefits. Then when he was to get his release to come back out to work, we wanted to make sure, what type of environment we can put him in, work with him, looked at all the different jobs we had, took in consideration of his travel time, etc. And we were able to come up with a nice plan for him.
It feels good to work with FBI and a company that cares that much for someone at the time that was just a crew guy. At FBI, the family atmosphere, if they take care of even, the little guy per se, is a good feeling.
If you'd like to be part of a team that's growing and has a great family atmosphere, please check out our link below and go to our careers page, and we may have an opportunity that would best fit you.